everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I just got the new Milani and it is the all-inclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. There is one in light and one in dark. I obviously got the one for light, and look at how gorgeous this palette is. I pre-recorded this, but I realized I forgot to hit one of my buttons and the swatches didn't really come out, so I'm refilming this part. So let's go ahead. There is a highlight, a bronze, 3 eyeshadows, a blush, and a blush, and I did do a demo on this look if you're interested. So this is the highlight. Holy swatch, one swipe. Then we have the first blush. There's 2 blushes. This is my favorite kind of pink. And here is the second blush. It's kind of a peachy pink color, but more matte. And the first eyeshadow. It's kind of like a dusty pink. And this middle, this is a shimmery shadow. That's probably my favorite shadow from the palette. And the last shadow on the bottom, it's kind of a more neutral color. And there is a bronzer in here. I probably will never use it. It's kind of a muddy color, not even good for the crease, but I will use all the other colors. And here are the swatches. Just look how pretty that one glitters. I love it. And if you're interested to see how I got this look, just in a second. And just so you know, before I filmed this video, I put all of my face products on, concealer and everything, and I didn't realize that I had my favorite brush, the Laura Mercier powder brush. I love this brush, but it sheds like crazy, and I didn't realize I had one of the hairs from the brush on my cheek. You can get this at Walmart or on Milani.com. I'm not sure who else has it yet. So let's go ahead and dive into this. I think I'm going to use the first 2 shades. I'm going to use this top shade for the crease and the middle shade for my lid. And I have a mirror right here that I just turned on. And I'm just using my IT Cosmetics Blending Crease number 105 if you're interested. And that is with one coat. I'm going to dip it in again. And then I got this a long time ago in some box and it rubbed off. This is a Luxie 209 large shader. I'm gonna see what it looks like if I just use my finger. Yeah, these are better to use your finger instead of a brush if you want more of that sparkle. And I'm gonna take a little bit more and go back into my crease. And I'm going to do everything the same on the other side. And I'm just going to take this is my Sonia Kosciuk. It's really old. It's my favorite crease brush for just kind of cleaning everything up and blending everything out when I put stuff in my crease. And I'm going to put on my eyeliner and mascara real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, and next onto blush and highlight. I'm going to swatch these again real quick to see which one I want to use. I think I want to use this more sparkly one. And this is a Sigma Powder Brush F10, if you just want to know. Holy, let me get a kabuki. So these are really pigmented. And there is a highlight. I don't think you even need the highlighter, but I guess I'll apply it just to show you how it goes on. And this is a BH Cosmetics number 4. Holy highlight. You barely need to tap into that to get product. Yeah, holy, shiny, everything. I'll kind of meld those together. And let me set everything with setting spray. And I'll be right back when everything is dry and set. Okay, and this is the final look. This is really great for spring. I personally love pinks for having blue eyes. They make my blue eyes pop. And this was, it wasn't super pigmented, but it wasn't not pigmented either. I did have to dip in twice to the crease shade, but that's fine. I'd rather build it than have too much product and have to blend. And the only thing for the shimmer shadow I would say is use your finger to apply. The highlight is highly pigmented and so are these blushes. This is like the perfect spring palette in my opinion for me. So if you're pale skinned, I know they have a darker one, so keep on the lookout for that. And this is supposedly supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury has a similar palette. I do not own that. I only own I think she has a face palette that's kind of similar, and I only have her Darling palette. And I'll kind of zoom you in so you can see my you can see, look at how blingy this is. I'm not going anywhere today. I just wanted to show you how much product or how blingy it could be. But here is how peachy and pretty everything is. And I personally love to put a navy blue with pink eyeshadow for a pop, especially with my blue eyes. I use Stila Midnight liquid liner. I believe it's Midnight. Yes, Stila Midnight for my eyeliner, and I use Chanel Volume Mascara for my mascara today. I think this is a pretty soft look, and you could do a couple different looks with this. You could always use the blushes and bronze for eyeshadow as well, so it's really versatile. Please let me know if you have this palette or any of your favorite palettes from Milani. Thanks, and remember, subscribe. Bye.